Okay, go name 1 for instance. Let's apply and see. You adjust the screen. Okay, so I think this should be name 2. Apply, slide, there we have it. Now the Lagos Island. So the next step I would like us to is let's have a space that will house our legend. So like for Lagos, sit down here, I will click and then pan, select this panning, I'll reduce this, select the arrow so that we have it this way. Then again slide. Okay, so what we'll be doing now is to add the legend. Adding the legend, be careful. I would like to have the legend showing map Nigeria, also showing us the Lagos state, and also the one that will show us the Lagos Island. So what we do here is I'll minimize the first layer as well. I'll minimize it. I'll go to the first layer. Now this is where you click this arrow. The White House Nigeria. This is where we use the legend to activate. Now this Nigeria administrative one, I'm going to left click once and left click again and change it to Nigeria. Change the title to Nigeria. Then Lagos State, I will also click twice to type it in caps, Lagos State, and enter. Then Lagos Island, I'll also left click once, twice. Okay, it's already there, we don't need to effect it. Now what we'll do is that we would like the Nigeria to come up, then Lagos State should follow, then the island will follow last. So that's the arrangement for our layout, for our legend. The first layer is actually hidden because by those adjusting it and it's larger. What you do is come to insert, locate legend. Now this is actually showing us that these are the layers active, these are the shape files active under the first layer, and what the legend item to be describing is Nigeria, Lagos State and Lagos Island. So I'll multiply left click, or should I, let me just left click one by one. I click next, allow it to load. Though this is not fast. It brings me to this window, the legend. I'll click on next again. I don't require any background. I can make some settings to give the settings for border, for background, but don't stress yourself with this for now. Let's go to next. Let's hit next and hit finish. Now our legend has been produced. Okay, now we can actually do some settings and maybe change the colors, because Lagos and the Nigeria and Lagos is actually showing us red. We use the map, so maintain the color. So what we do is to Nigeria map, then maybe we can be seeing Lagos. The reason why we're having a state as it is being red, so it's still what needs to be, want to have a deep color effect, is actually to change for the Lagos state here. We change the symbol to prime. Maybe we go left click here, select the color, maybe select this color and OK it. Okay, so I just decided to change the color Nigeria by selecting this color down here, orange dust, so that we'll have a different color matching, just as how it's showing perfectly. So the next is to still activate. We'll go to insert and add our true knot. That's the knot arrow. I love using this, but let's just do something simple. Okay, drag it. Okay, just like this is perfect. Okay, so the next thing here I would like us to add to. So what we do is you go to insert and then data frame. You click on data frame, then adjust it to the scale we want it to fit. At the bottom option as a optional map. So I adjust it. Now you can see the is actually housing 2. So what I want to do is to get rid of that title. So I'll right click properties, then go to general. I highlight this and get rid of it. Apply OK. Then I actually align with my image with the others. Just take it down a little. After that, adjust this. Then we can add text. Come back to insert. You have to first of all click this, then go to insert, then title. Invite type locational map of Lagos Island. Lagos State, Nigeria. Then we'll apply OK. Then we'll drag it in, and maybe we can style up the text by coming to this drawing toolbar. You can actually click on this option, relocate draw. It's here. So maybe for the font size we take it to 24. Then we go easy. Okay, you can see this is fine. So next we do to save the map. I'd like us to add up a graphical on the map, and then of course you have to add a skill map. So I'll click and right click, go to properties, locate grid, add new, go to measures. I would like you to have the grid. I would like you to have the grid and label. Click next, next, and finish. And then I apply. Okay, we'll do same for this. Left click, right click, go to property, grid, this, next, select grid and label, next, 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 apply, and OK. So we'll do same for this area of interest. The next thing to do is to add up our scale bar. So we can zoom in to this area of interest. That's the Lagos Island. We should increase it a bit. Okay, and let's try to make it look larger. Okay, that's too large. This is best. So you come to insert. You remember that is activated. Insert, and then you come to scale bar. Select metric. Go down. Out of kilometer. I like this. Click it and apply. It loads. Position it down. You can actually do some adjustments. This is okay. Alright. Maybe down a little. So what we'll do is we'll do same for all this. We have to add the scale bar for this and this. So I'll just complete this for us. Okay, so let's expand this a little, and then maybe try to increase it a little. Okay, this is perfect. Alright, so there you have it. You've completely you successfully extract the shapefile, and then this is ready for any work. So what we'll do is we'll save it as a PDF. So what we'll do is come to file and then go to export. I also like to export it into that same what do you call it, file folder we created under our desktop. So I'll locate mine's under download. That's the Nigeria SHP. I'll click it open, and then maybe Lagos SHP shapefile. I will just type Lagos Island, I'll take it to PDF. You have a lot of file format you can save, so I'll save it as PDF so that it's ready for printing, or you can send it to someone. You can use it for any purpose. So I'll hit on save. Wait for it. It's processing. And now export complete. So what we'll do is minimize this. We'll locate our Nigeria SSP. I open it, then I go to Lagos SSP and then locate that PDF file. Okay, let's go back once. I think it should be here. Okay, it's down here. I can't locate it, so I have to save it again. Okay, now let's go back, come to file format, export. You have to be careful of the location. Okay, it's under Lagos SSP. I save it as Lagos Island. It should be there. Let me go back. Okay, it's here. Look at it, having the PDF file format. Then I open it and zoom in to see the detail of what I've produced. So you can now see it. Can maximize, looking all beautiful and well crested. You can see the detailing, very easy to produce. As you can see, these are area of interest: Lagos Island, a local government under Lagos State, and Lagos State under the territory of Nigeria as a country. Okay, so that will be that, guys. I will meet you up on the next one. I'll also try to drop the description link where you can actually just hit it to access the Diva GIS, and you can download the shapefile of any region of your choice in the world. So I will catch you all on the next one. Remain safe and peace out.